Hey there, fellow deal hunters. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the best ways to save money and maximize your rewards. Today's topic is all about how to use Amazon Prime Visa points on Amazon. If you're an Amazon Prime Visa cardholder, you know that those points can add up quickly from your everyday purchases. But if you're not sure how to actually use them, don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Let's get started. First off, what are Amazon Prime Visa points? These are rewards points you earn by using your Amazon Prime Visa card. For every dollar you spend on Amazon.com, you typically get 2% back in points, and even more on certain categories. The best part? You can redeem them directly on Amazon to knock down the cost of your next shopping spree. To use your points, start by logging into your Amazon account. Make sure you're signed in with the same email linked to your Visa card. Once you're in, head over to the Accounts and Lists section in the top right corner. From there, click on Your Rewards, or Amazon Visa Rewards. It might vary slightly based on your account settings. Now, here's where the magic happens. Browse for the items you want to buy and add them to your cart as usual. When you're ready to check out, look for the Rewards option on the payment page. You'll see a section that says something like Redeem Rewards Points. Select the amount of points you want to use. Remember, points are usually worth 1 cent each, so if you have 500 points, that's $5 off your order. One quick tip. Make sure your points balance is sufficient for the purchase, and note that you can't use points for everything, like gift cards or digital content sometimes. Also, if you're a Prime member, combining points with other deals can save you even more. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to use your Amazon Prime Visa points. Next time you're shopping, put those points to work and watch your savings grow. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.